Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. Today we have a lecture 34 of ICT A to Z beginner series. In the today lecture, I'm going to show you the example of ICT market maker model of cell. So make sure you watch this video till end, and if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe it. So let's jump into the video. As you remember in the previous video, if you didn't watch till now, so make sure you watch the previous one, and as well if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure I suggest you to watch this full series. I already make a playlist on YouTube. Okay, so for a cell model, you will find a consolidation first, and then first stage of accumulation, reaccumulation, smart money reversal, distribution, redistribution, and the liquidity. Okay, so in the previous video I show you these introduction, and I will explain you what is the market maker buy model and sell model. In today's video I'm show you the example on market maker sell model on NAS 100 3-minute time frame. Okay, so let's jump into the video. So I am in the NAS 100. Okay, here are the price action. Pause the video and see what happened here. This candle is 8:30 and here is the 12 p.m. Okay, so between these, what price did? Pause the video and start finding it. Some of you folks never pause the video. Okay, anyhow, let me show you. So we have this area. First of all, I want to show you a 1 hour where we have this CB, sell side imbalance, buy side efficiency. We have these old relative equals lows. Okay, and then we go to the our 3-minute time frame, 5-minute, 3-minute. Okay, and you will see this type of thing. This is the liquidity, old liquidity, okay. So here market make a consolidation. These consolidation can be a 15 candles, 20 candles, should be like that. Less than that is not a consolidation that much efficient. Okay, so make sure you see this type of consolidation and you see then turtle soup. Okay, market give you a quick reaction, liquidity, and then go upside, okay, of the original consolidation. Price come, touch the nearby this original consolidation and shoot upside. Okay, then we price come again, the consequent approachment of this fair value gap, the accumulation. It can be your second accumulation because first one happened here as well. Okay, then price go to the upside, take out the sell side liquidity. Here is the low risk sell or smart money reversal in this fair value gap because we are upside of this consequent approachment, right? Okay, so we have this low risk sell or smart money reversal. Price goes down and you have this order block, first down, first up close candle. We have first stage of distribution, then price fair value gap. As you see, price make redistribution where you see the candles, it's respecting this fair value gap, and then we have this liquidity to the downside. Now you see what is that one. Now we are in the 1-minute time frame. Okay, low risk sale, price come, market structure shift 22 model. We have this fair value gap. We have this order block. Price come, another fair value gap here, just touch downside. This fair value gap, inspection to the downside. Okay, so all you have to watch this consolidate area see the respecting of this candle, upside, then retest of this consolidation. The idea of support become resistance and resistance becomes support, like you see, and then upside like this. Okay, so here is your classic silver bullet as well. We are in the 5-minute consecutive approachment fair value gap, right? We have this market structure shift, we have this fair value gap, and we have this liquidity. Understand? In one model you will find many of one. I hope you understand. Let's see in 5 minutes. Consolidation, first stage of accumulation, second stage of accumulation, liquidity sweep, low risk sale or smart money reversal, first order block here, up close candle, redistribution. If you see here the redistribution of this fair value gap, right? Price touch this fair value gap and then give you the liquidity. Okay, so you have to first find out the high probability high time frame POI, then you will shift in the lower time frame to find this type of setup. I hope you understand and you learn something from this video. In the coming videos I will show you more example in more depth, so make sure you subscribe it and join our Telegram channel. Until next time, be safe.